What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am sorry for the lisp. I have my retainers in today. I haven't been wearing them at all and my teeth are literally showing it. So anyway, actually you guys, both houses that we chose were gone. Okay, so we had originally chosen the Crest. We went back in to check it out on Monday, and they came and they were like, oh, somebody got it over the weekend. And then so next we were like, okay, we gotta hurry up and get something. So next we chose the Noble house, Noble 5 actually, and that one was gone too over the weekend. So I'm about to go look at the house that we're getting. Okay, we are getting this house, you guys. So I'm about to go look at that though right now. I'm trying to grab my ID cards. I mean, not my ID cards, but my SIM cards, just making sure that I have enough of them. And yeah, I'm about to go look at that right now, and I'm gonna take you guys so you can see I'm gonna give you guys a house tour basically. And I don't know, I don't think it's going to be empty actually. I think it's actually going to be furnished. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like furnished so that you can kind of get the gist of things and you know what everything is and where everything is supposed to go. So I don't think I'm gonna do an empty house tour. I think this is as empty as it's going to get. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me and we're about to go right now. Okay, pause. So before we get started, I just want to let you guys know that everything in this house is hella tacky. Okay, it's just all kinds of things going on in here, and we don't have any of those decorations or furniture anymore. So yes, let's get into it. So I don't know how I forgot to record the entryway, but yeah, we're hopping straight into the kitchen. The entryway is literally right around the corner, so you didn't really miss anything. I guess just the way it looks when you first come in the house, but that's it though. I also forgot to show you guys the seating area and everything outside. I didn't want to go outside. They were doing construction that day and it was just a lot going on out there. I forgot to show you guys that half bath right there too. Yeah, all it is just a sink, a toilet, and like a little vanity. The vanity is really short. It also has like this little stool thing, but you have to bend down to be able to see yourself in it. So this living room was really spacious and I really liked that about it, but it's hard to kind of see what's going on because of all the decorations. Like nothing matched. Okay, the curtains didn't match the pillows didn't match the things that were on the floor. Nothing matched. I hate that you guys didn't get an empty house tour. I was just so tired of filming houses and just going through houses and looking for houses. This was it. It didn't even matter at this point. I also didn't go all the way into the laundry room to let you guys see. There were top cabinets as well, but they were so tall I couldn't reach them anyway. So yeah, we don't use those at all. So this second floor is pretty much just a space for me and Tim. This closet right here is my closet outside of our room. So Tim likes this so much better because I don't have any clothes in our bedroom at all. And I am probably the messiest person when it's time to find something to wear because I'm pulling clothes out and they're everywhere. So he really likes the fact that my closet isn't connected to the room. So going into here is a living room space. I don't understand why there was a table here, but there's no longer a table there now. There's actually nothing there right now. We don't have any furniture up there right now, but we plan to just make it like, you know, a little sitting area. And this is a bathroom, full bath. So this room right here is Tim's man cave area. I thought it was a pretty decent size. It's actually a bedroom, of course, but we decided to make it to his man cave area so all our little spaces would kind of be on the same floor. This is the master bedroom. Once again, nothing in here matches, but it's really spacious in here, and the closet space is pretty nice too. But this is the closet that Tim decided to take. Right over here is a little vanity area. The only thing about this was the lighting wasn't that great, so I just do my hair over here in this little section, and the cabinets were way too high, so I can't reach those either. It's like they put everything up so high you have to be tall to reach it, but I don't understand because most Koreans are really short. So yeah. So here's the master bathroom. It's a pretty good size, but once again, tacky, okay? Tacky. So this third floor is pretty much a space for the girls. What we did was this little pink room right here is supposed to be like a second storage room, but what we did was block off like those cords and hot water heater and all of that, and kind of made it into like a little play area. So the toys and everything just go in there and they don't go in their room. And here is their closet. Their closet is basically the exact same as what mine is, but they just share theirs. So this room right here is actually my office. I chose this room out of the two because it had the cream colored walls, and it was just something I wanted to do in here that didn't include all those colors. So I took this one for me, and the other one would be the girls' room. So this is the girls' room, of course, and that's what I was talking about the colors on the wall. They actually really like them, so they really like their room. The bed that's in there is no longer there. They are getting twin beds, so that's what we're doing in there. This third floor also has a balcony. It's a really nice sized balcony. They're actually doing construction outside right now. They said it would be finished in May, and it's currently mid-May. I think they're almost done, but not quite yet. Also, these grandma curtains have got to go, okay? And here is the girls' bathroom. I really like that their bathroom also has a tub and a shower. It's really good for them, so they could do either or. So we definitely plan on decorating everything and just making it our own, because as you can see, most of the things in here were tacky. But after they removed all of the decorations and all of that stuff, it looks normal and it looks really nice and clean. I really like the openness and I like how bright it is. So I just can't wait to decorate. I'll definitely show you guys that kind of stuff as I go. And here is one of my favorite parts of the house, the rooftop. So we really love the rooftop on the Noble. So to me, this is like a combination of a couple of the houses that we liked. Yeah, so we got our rooftop still, and I'm super excited about that. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys in my